Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord, it looks like the TVs are dropping something every time, something that is new. Now, I hope that as much as they are dropping, they'll finally drop something that will last, because we really enjoyed Umkoka and we wanted it to last for forever, and forever, but it did not happen. Now, they are dropping something new, and Jabulani McDonald's report. Marked. A new series starring Lerato Mvelase about a law-abiding cash-in-transit guard, devoted wife and loving mother is pushed to the edge when her daughter is diagnosed with a life-threatening illness. With no other option, she makes a desperate choice to break the law, teaming up with a trusted colleague and a reckless newcomer. As the plan spirals out of control, betrayal and danger force her to cross lines she never thought she would. Now, the cast is as follows. Amongst others is Lerato Mvelase, Sphamandla Dludlu, Stumo Mchali, Bonko Khoza, Mduduzi Mabaso, Ama Kamata, Natasha Tahani, Khaisang Noche, Linda Sokulu, Desmond Dube, Jerry Mufukeng, Clement Musimani. Marked premieres on the 31st of July 2025 on Netflix. Now, South Africa has officially went international and we love it for our people, guys. Please, 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 as much as we are going to run and watch other programs, let us also support South Africa by watching this one. Don't forget to support me while you're at it by sharing, liking, and subscribing. Please also press the thank you button if you feel like blessing me with something. Do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Bye. And did I say this is your girl, Disebo D, signing out.